that one of the reasons for the rise of obesity rates is the result of downregulation of our metabolic rates due to the dietary environmental factors. What does downregulate mean? Basically suppresses. So I'm going to discuss this in more depth. But one of the biggest changes between now and then is the types of fat that we're consuming in our diet, which really is changing the type of fat that's in our body. And this dietary switch, what we really is like swapping butter and tallow and ghee for processed fats, margarine and oils, is really the cause of the downregulation of our metabolism. We are also exposed to significantly higher levels of environmental toxins. I mentioned last week, just touched on the glycophosphate in microplastics, right? The herbicides, pesticides, and the microplastics that are in our environment that's being used on our food sources, which also further downregulate the energy production by interfering with metabolic pathways and signaling from cell to cell. The standard American diet, right, which is rich in PUFAs, polyunsaturated fatty acids, and the environmental toxins disrupt our ability to convert food into energy, which leads to an increased tendency to store food, get this, to store food as fat instead.